Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how we can live chat with NordVPN support team. So let's get started. So to do that, what you can do is just open up your browser and then search for nordvpn.com. After searching for nordvpn.com, you'll come up to this page where you can just tap on login, which is on the top right. And after logging into your account, now what you can do is just tap on this help center option. And after tapping on Help Center, now you just have to tap on NordVPN Help Center. And after tapping on NordVPN Help Center, just scroll down and here you can find this cloud-like icon. So just tap on that. And after tapping on that, now you can start a conversation with a real person in NordVPN. So just enter the name and you can enter your email address and then start a conversation. So now you can start a conversation with the problems that you are facing in your NordVPN. So that's it guys. This is how to chat with NordVPN support. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.